Gulls have a bad reputation, but at International Bird Rescue, we love gulls and we want to dispel all of the misconceptions surrounding them and share a few reasons why we think gulls are great. The birds people commonly refer to as seagulls are actually part of a large family of seabirds known as Laridae. There are over 20 different species in North America alone. 4 of the most common species we care for at Bird Rescue are western gulls, California gulls, ring-billed gulls, and Heermann's gulls. Gulls are rugged survivors. They are strong, resilient, and have the ability to heal and bounce back from serious injuries.
There you go.
We have rehabilitated gulls hit by cars or suffering from extreme entanglement injuries and seen them all the way through to release back into the wild.
Gulls are intelligent. They have complex social structures within their colonies that help them defend against predators and aid in raising their young. They are dedicated parents, and both mother and father contribute equally to caring for their chicks. When we have baby gulls in care, we often house them with a surrogate parent to help coach the growing birds on normal gull behavior.
We have been gull enthusiasts for over 15 years.
We hope that by teaching people about gulls, they can understand that they're not pests, but intelligent seabirds with complex social behaviors and devoted family lives.
They are a vital part of our native environment, whether coastal or inland.
And though they've inhabited these places before humans arrived, they've adapted remarkably well to sharing their space with humans.
The small colony of Heermann's gulls that we follow in Seaside has survived for decades due to the gulls' resourcefulness in finding new nesting sites, even fledging chicks in years when the main Heermann's gull colony in the Gulf of California failed due to climate change.
When gull and human conflict arise, it's usually due to human behavior. The number one thing we can do to protect gulls and prevent them from bothering humans is to not feed them. Don't leave food out on the beach, and make sure trash can lids are properly secured. Gulls aren't the pests and vermin people make them out to be. They're wonderful birds that deserve our care and respect. Next time you come across gulls in the wild, maybe you'll see them in a different light.